So our buddy Harrison is driving down the road, heading vacation, really excited. Oh, forgot to mention, it's raining. We have a guardrail and some grass off to the side of the road. Harrison hits this puddle with bald rear tires in the Civic, gets a little squirrely, and spins around, ends up in a guardrail. Boys, it's time to go save Harrison.
Thank you. Look.
What's up, kids? We're in the truck. We are on the way to go get, what are we getting, Alfie?
We're getting Harrison / Ronan's EF Civic because he totaled it yesterday. Focus. We're almost there. We're about 13 minutes out.
Yep.
About to rescue that Civic.
The poor Civic.
So backstory, it was monsooning yesterday and Harrison had bald rear tires. He was driving straight and the rear just loosened up and then he ended up hitting the guardrail in the middle. We're helping Harrison out because we know how it feels to crash a car.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
He's not here to help, but we're gonna move his car back to his house and hopefully he can take it apart before he totals it out. See you all over there.
He's got your cash.
How much we owe you again?
$290.
You got 10 bucks?
I got 220s. I'll see if he's got it. But you might have to lift up that fender a little bit on one side. I think it's that side. It might be alright, dude.
Is the key in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just left the key in the switch. I left the keys in the switch.
Okay.
If I won't lose them.
Yeah, that's the best way, honestly.
You got a desk full of keys, you just spend 5 minutes trying to
Yeah.
dig through them. The only thing that's going to drag is the tailpipe, I think. Right up.
Oh yeah. Can you see?
As they originally looked. What do you think?
It's not that bad. It still drives. We probably could have drove it to Clemson if we just cut that off. Back up. You're gonna have to back up. This camber is like fucking us up. It's turning.
What?
Like the. Appreciate it. Take it easy, sir.
What's that?
Whenever you get on the ramps is literally folding. Ah!
I said, look,
Okay, back it up.
2,000 years later.
So we got the car finally up. I had to put the camera down because one of the wheels wasn't turning. But we got it up. That muffler though. Harrison, it could have been worse. This isn't that bad, bro. Strapped up. Harsh lighting, great. We just need to tie these straps up.
All right. The Civic is loaded up. This is what we got. Strapped down, tied up, nice exhaust. And yeah, we're good to go. We just had to do a quick strap check, and the Civic's still on there. I can't see your head.
No, I mean, you won't be able to see it either.
I see the curve. So yeah, we're blocking this. Whatever. We'll have to get gas at a later date because there's no room over there, and it's too tight. We made it to our first stop, which is this Asian restaurant, but strap check, we're good. The glass hasn't blown out the back yet. Good. This fender, or no, it's not this fender. It's the other fender that keeps flapping. Yeah, this one's just fucking flapping in the wind. So there's that. How do you like this Civic adventure so far?
It's pretty fun.
In Civic pit stop number 2, we follow Alfredo around an Asian grocery store as he buys all the snacks.
168.
I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm gonna try not to buy stuff.
It's good, but it's not worth $2.50.
Oh. Do they have any Filipino things here?
Yeah, that one.
Oh.
Or go downtown and take a look.
Well, we go back to 385 and then we just can take 385 into downtown. Yeah. We're back. Fun fact and thought of the day: you can't order a beanie and have a beard and not look like a hipster. Oh, what? No! What, dude? What the hell? Is that your favorite shirt? No, this is a hole.
Yeah, is that your favorite shirt? No.
I don't know, I liked it. I haven't worn it a whole lot, but it's enjoyable. It looks nice. It's like kind of like a sweater. It's like thick sweater-ish. So yeah, sad day, YouTube. We got holes in our elbows. In the car shuffle today, we've got the Civic, we have the truck, we have the trailer. Now we're gonna take the M3 to Harrison's house. Will it start? Nobody knows. All right, let's see if she starts. She's hella dead. Like nothing. Time for some bald eagles. America! America! Well, it only took 15 minutes, but she runs. All right, let's go take this car back to like her sister car. We're back home. We're back at Harrison's. M3 made it. Truck and Civic made it. FC's still here. So now we gotta get this thing off.
Let's hope this goes well.
Oh yeah, this shit is so purple, dude. This is not black. This is straight up purple.
What the fuck?
Who is blowing you up?
It's the family. They're all going to the freaking food truck festival. They're all texting each other, letting them know they're on the way or something. Did you not accidentally leave it on? Maybe it's dead. No, it won't even turn.
It's not even turning.
Maybe push it in harder? No?
No. Well, she's back. It was a challenge driving. I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but as soon as you give power, this passenger wheel just toes out and doesn't really turn, and that one's fine. So there's stuff broken. We just dropped the trailer back off at Doug's house. Harrison's Civic is at his house. Alfie's M3 is at his house, and all the cars got rescued and moved, and nothing got hurt today, so that was successful. So, Civic retrieval mission.
That's so nice.
Good.
It's only 2 o'clock. Didn't spend the whole day. We still got the rest of the day. It was great that we started early in the morning.
Yeah, we got a lot to do. We have so much day left. We're gonna watch the 24 hours of Daytona here soon-ish, and cheer some friends on and just see what's going on.